Hi there, Sanna here again to show you another way to work with Tattered Angels Glimmer Mists. I've again taken a piece of white paper. This is a relatively thick drawing paper. I've got a brayer and I've got palette or a plate of some kind and a baby wipe. And I'm just placing the baby wipe onto this tray and I'm taking some color. And I'm spraying. Let's show you a better view. And I'm just adding some color into this baby wipe. I'm taking the icicle blue, the pink poodle, and let's take the aquamarine. And we'll see if that works. I have no idea. Just an idea. And I'm taking the brayer and I'm going over the surface and then I'm adding the color here. Doesn't work. Okay. Well, it was a good idea to try, but it didn't work. So, well, you need to wipe quite a lot. Let's take the baby wipe off and let's add the color onto the tray as it is and see if it changes anything. We'll see. I'm just testing. And then I'm taking the brayer and then I'm taking the surface. And what I get is a kind of marble effect. Sort of. Obviously the colors will mix, but it doesn't look that bad. Not bad at all. That's fun. A totally different kind of look. You'll need to go over the surface several times to get the color in there. But that looks really interesting. And then you can just add a color, or you can do one color at a time, not to mix the colors that bad as I did here. So if I would want to add some green in there, only green, I would do it this way. And then let's add some green on top. That looks fun. That will be an interesting. Let's do some gold. Just clean that a little bit before. So let's see if gold does anything to that paper. Not much, because I should have cleaned my brayer before. I was too eager to just try it and test it. And now it's just a dirty mixture. Okay, never mind, but it would work. So this is the, how could I call this, brayer technique, marbling technique idea type of thing. Creates a really fun background. Really fun. So this is it for today. So you just need the colors, some kind of tray, your brayer, some paper, and you roll. And you see what happens. And then you got yourself a starting point for something fun. That looks interesting. I hope you enjoyed this idea. Thanks for watching.